Hey everyone, welcome to Long Arm Wednesday. I'm Laura Lynn of the Mama Pop Quilt Shop, and we're very happy to see you here today. Today we're working on a purple themed Bonnie Hunter quilt. I think it's called Emerald City, but my friend Mary, she loves doing Bonnie Hunter, and I think I'm gonna have to tackle one on at least sometime soon, maybe before the end of the year, because she's definitely a scrap buster. And she's called this the Violet City instead of the Emerald City. And I love all these purples. It's a creamy tan that's going in the background, not necessarily white, which I really think makes that purple pop a bit more. And I just love all the colors she chose. There's gold, there's tans, there's creams, there's all sorts of a little bit of different shades as well as the purple, some with a little bit of pink, some with a little bit of different colors. It's absolutely stunning. And we're just going to let Walt finish what he's going to do. He's doing a paisley feather in haze thread. And of course you can see this luxurious flannel purple backing here. It's going to look amazing. So I have this set as a medium density sort of stitch out because that's what she wanted for this pattern. And it's doing 9 rows over 95 inches. So each row is about, 10 inches or something like that. So approximately. Gotta give a little room for wiggle. So, and it's just gonna finish stitching it up. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's been so lovely to work with. There's sometimes I really don't want to give quilts back to my customers after I get them done. This is kind of one of them. I was actually showing it to my my niece and my sister, and they were like, "What are you doing today?" So I showed them, and they were like, "Wow!" I'm like, "I know. She's a stunning artist. I just love her work. Fantastic, and I love the color combinations. And there's so many half square triangles in here. I'm not even counting. There's probably way more than my bag." Just enjoy the color. And then I have a little bit of footage that you'll see afterwards is a bit of the border being stitched out. It's one of the first. So very, very beautiful, stunning project. I believe she bought a Bonnie Hunter scrapbook, book to bust her scraps. And this is many on the list, and they're just absolutely beautiful and lovely to look at, and makes me wish I could do it too. And I know I can't. I just gotta take all these colors. You gotta think, okay, well, purple's not just one color. You gotta add all the colors, especially if you want to make something as gorgeous as this piece of art. So I don't know if it's for her or if it's gonna be for a family member or whatever, but I'm doing the best I can, and I'm hoping she's loving it. I know she's with her grandbabies right now, so that's always good. She doesn't always get to see those ones. But yeah, lovely, lovely color. I'm so in love with it. And I was never really a big purple fan for a longest time. I think it was the purple bag and the purple Lone Star that I did for Auntie Julie that I really started to learn to kind of appreciate and love purple. So I really enjoyed it as a color itself and what it can do with other colors. Okay, so. Well, hopefully you'll love this little video and take a look at this beautiful pattern, and maybe you can find it online for maybe a small fee or if not free. And I think it would look good in any color, not necessarily just green and purple for sure. So bust your scraps. You never know. You're going to make a beautiful piece of art. Some of those seams are a little thick. That's why Walt's on a little slower mode. But I'm watching him, trying to make sure he's getting over them. The bumpy and the lumpies. It's okay. Stitching out beautiful. Stitching out beautiful. Love it, love it, love it. Yeah, so there's a little bit of footage. You'll see out the border up here as it's getting stitched at the top there with the feather, paisley feather stitch out. And hope you all having a very amazing, fantastic day. And the sun is always shining on you. So take care. Big hugs from us at the Mama Pop Quilt Shop. And we'll see you hopefully on Saturday for our 12-hour live stream. We're going to give ourselves all sorts of busies. All sorts of busies. Have a great day, everybody. Take care. Big hugs.
Bye.